Mimi desu.
DKR channel yokoso, Philippine kara.
So for today, we are going to react to the video titled "Don't Worry, Tonikaku's Still Wearing." So this is from the BGT 2023, and it's the semifinals already. So
チャンネルのこれじと。それでは早速始めましょう。
Tonikaku is back. Whoa! Oh my god. Still the pink underwear.
Is it underwear or diaper?
But I can pose naked.
Yes, we know that for sure.
Today, British naked pose.
I'm
First,
excited.
afternoon tea naked pose.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on! Let's see if there's something new. Yeah!
Okay.
Oh, pretty
Don't
simple.
worry, I'm
wearing.
Hey.
That's super
Thank you.
cool.
Yes.
I didn't expect it.
Next, Royal Guard naked pose.
What's that?
Come on.
Let's see. Oh,
Oh, wait.
like Queen Guard.
Uh-huh. Oh, unfortunately, we don't have subtitles.
I'm wearing.
Hey!
Nice pants.
That's so good.
Nice pants.
The Queen's Guard.
Yes.
Step. Next, cricket naked pose.
What? Kuri?
Come on.
Kuri cat?
Ah, sorry. Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm wearing.
Wearing.
I don't know what we call that.
Me too.
Kuri cat?
Yeah. Maybe it's a sport? I'm not sure.
Next, Abbey Road naked pose.
Apilo.
Let's see.
Naked.
Yeah!
It's the Beatles!
The Beatles!
It's the Beatles!
Don't worry,
I'm wearing.
It's the Beatles, yes!
Thank you, Joe. Bingo.
I know that photo of
Joe.
Beatles.
Of course, it's famous.
They're walking in a
Pedestrian.
I like it.
Lewis Hamilton
What?
naked pose. Come
Oh my
on.
god, sorry guys, we just hear it. We just hear it.
It's okay.
Don't worry,
I'm
I'm wearing. Nice
Very
pants.
good.
Thank you.
A lot of cross.
Very tears. Oh,
Wait, wait.
nice.
Okay. Finally,
Finally, oh my god.
Elton John.
Elton John.
naked pose.
Okay.
Elton John.
Come on.
Oh, okay. He's playing piano.
Yeah.
Elton John.
Okay, I'm wearing. Ah. Oh my god. I want to stand up. Oh, so when you say entertainment, this is it already.
This guy has everything.
Yeah.
I love the confidence. Confidence is the key.
Yeah.
That I don't have.
Mm-hmm. Me too. If you have confidence, guys, you'll be like this.
You know, Tonikaku is the opposite of me.
Mm-hmm.
He, can show everything, and Batam only can show this face and these hands.
Yeah. Wow. Actually, my cheeks are painful
Yeah.
because I laughed too much and I'm so entertained by this video. And of course, it's the second time. We're so happy that Tonikaku is in the semifinals already. We've been waiting for this moment to come, and actually, we're thinking if what Tonikaku will show us. Right? Because the
Yes.
first time was really the best. It got, millions of views and it
Yes.
became hot topic really.
Thank you so much, Tonikaku. You made our night. You're the best, and no dull moment.
No,
Everyone
zero.
is, happy, standing ovation. They are cheering with you, focus, watching you, and you made us laugh. A lot.
Right. And actually, guys, when it comes to this kind of competition, we are always looking forward to a talent, right? We do not expect that this could be a talent too. Right? It's a
Yeah.
kind of work of art of a comedian.
Yes,
Right?
being
So-
comedian is a very hard talent. It's
Mhm.
very hard to make someone, laugh.
It's
What
hard.
more with that audience, and you are, let's say, you are Japanese and they are British,
Mhm.
but
How?
you can make them laugh. They can connect with
Yeah.
you.
The delivery is also amazing.
Yes.
Because as you've said, to be a comedian is a hard
Yeah.
kind of job too,
Mm.
right? And I believe it's even easier to have a talent of singing or dancing than to be a comedian.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? It's not easy, guys, to make someone
Yeah.
laugh
Yes,
like
yes,
you or
yes.
me. But this one, I believe all of us laugh. For the very first time, we've reacted to him, and up until today, we are still laughing.
Go! We are rooting for you in the finals.
We're looking forward to that to happen. Thank you, everyone.
Good
for
luck, good
watching
luck,
and
Tonikaku.
enjoy.
Good luck!
Bye.
ありがとうございました。